instructions how to turn on smart lock if you can't find it on your phone. So this is a Galaxy Note 5 Android 7. Go in here, click on the settings, click on search, and well, I've already searched for smart lock, but basically, if you search for smart lock, no results. And I thought I lost it. And so you have to look for trust agents. Trust. And there's smart lock. You enable it. And then go back, search for smart lock again. And smart lock works. And so this is where you type in your code. And that's pretty much it. Hopefully that helps you out.